Fellow students, I'm Dan Gilbert Farinkia, DBHS 1ANSWERED, Computer and ICT instructor. We'll be looking at Computer Science Paper 3. What was expected, we will concentrate first on tasks. On the first task, the students were required to use a word processor to type and format a simple text. So I'm going to open a word processor. The first question was for the students to identify the word processor installed on their computers. So that was a very easy one. As you can see, it is Microsoft Word. So every student who said Microsoft Word had a mark there. And the rest of the tasks required them to type the given text and format. So a smart student would have started by formatting. The topic was supposed to be in area black. The font size was supposed to be 18, so the font was supposed to be area black. The font size was supposed to be 18. It was supposed to be bold and underlined. So you're supposed to type using and integrating ICTs in teaching. So if you had this, you'll be correct. And if you type the rest of the text from 0 to about 50 character, you have 0. If you type from 50 to about 100 character, you have you score just 2 marks there. If you type from 100 to 180 character, you have 4 marks. And if you type 180 character, you score all the 6 marks for that question. The next task wanted the students to change the page orientation or the page size. Okay, so they're supposed to set up the page to legal. So every student who did that will have another additional mark. The next part of the question wanted the students that have already done the heading. So I'll quickly open what I have done for the sake of time, and the space of the video should not be very heavy. So any student who did something like this will have scored all the marks, because you can see that it is the heading is area black, the font is 18, it is bold and it's italicized. The rest of the text, students were asked to use Tahoma. So if I click anywhere, I'll have Tahoma as font. The size will be 11 as required. If I check, the line spacing is 1.5. So if you go down to where you have the bullet, the text there was in italics. So if you check, you see that it has been italicized. So this is correct. The rest of the text was supposed to be justified. So if you check, you see that the rest of the text has been justified. The shortcut for justification is Ctrl-J, and the shortcut for italicize is written there, it's Ctrl-I, and bold is written there, it's Ctrl-B, underline is Ctrl-U. Those are the shortcuts that you could have used to score simple points. Okay, so the next task wanted the students to insert a clip art. In older versions of Windows, you have clip art, but if I try to insert anything here, I will not have it, because I am working on a higher version of Windows, which will not give me. You see, I'm running on Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2016. Here I will be unable to have clip art because everything is running online. So if I go to pictures, if I go to online pictures, you will need me to be online to get pictures. So those things, those clip art things, have been omitted in higher versions. So in ancient versions like Office 2007, you have those clip arts. So take note. Now the student was supposed to put it in this position. It was supposed to be bottom center. Now the next part, they were supposed to type this table and break it. So to do this, they were supposed to break. They're supposed to do what they call next page break. So you have to come to, if you came to layout, you go to section break, next page break. You would have broken the page into two, such that any page setup that you do here, if you're changing the page even to A5, it wouldn't affect the first page. Okay, so if I can change this page orientation without necessarily affecting the first page. So you're supposed to type this and make it bold, as you can see. Another challenge here was for students to also know how to match, okay, to match cells. So if you come here, if you have to come here, you highlight both cells and you match the cells. To have South America under Argentina, you are supposed to do same here. So I quickly illustrate this. You inserted a table like this, for example, okay, and you have to match this and this, for example, and this as fast as possible, you know, so that this became South America, this became Cameroon, South Africa, Cameroon, okay, Africa, South America, South Africa, Cameroon, Brazil, Argentina. Okay, you had just like that, and you're supposed to make it bold. Take note, each time you have a task, check what is on the paper and make sure that you are designing or you're formatting it to fit what was given. Take note, if it wasn't bold, you lose marks there. So that is all what was required in that first section. I wouldn't want to make the video very heavy, so I will end here and then I'll do task 2. If you have any question, you can send it to me through emails, ndanggils@gmail.com, or you can call me directly, or you meet me in school to do the correct, to follow up where you are lacking. So thank you, and hope you did enjoy the video. If you didn't, why don't you call me and let me know where I fall short. Okay, thank you.